Dear students, National Testing Agency (NTA) is inviting online application for NEET UG 2026 for admission to the undergraduate medical courses in all medical institutions in India. As per Section 14 of the National Medical Commission Act 2019, the NEET UG has to be conducted as a common and uniform national eligibility cum entrance test NEET UG for admission to undergraduate medical education in all medical institutions. The NEET UG 2026 scores and merit list will also apply for admission to BDS and BVSC and AH courses as followed in the past in accordance with the rules governed by respective regulatory bodies. Similarly, as per Section 14 of the National Commission for Indian System of Medicine Act 2020, there shall be a uniform NEET UG for admission to undergraduate courses in each of the disciplines, that is BAMS, BUMS and BSMS courses of the Indian System of Medicine in all medical institutions governed under this Act. NEET UG shall also be applicable to admission to the BHMS course under the National Commission for Homeopathy. MNS, Military Nursing Service aspirants seeking admission to BSc nursing courses being conducted at Armed Force Medical Service Hospital for the year 2026 are required to qualify for NEET UG. The NEET UG score will be used for selection to the 4-year BSc nursing course. The exam will be held on 3rd May 2026 and the duration of the examination will be 180 minutes, that is 3 hours, from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. The NEET UG 2026 will be conducted in 13 languages, that is Assamese, Bengali, English, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Malayalam, Marathi, Udiya, Punjabi, Tamil, Telugu and Urdu.